learning objectives for Module 1 by Dr. Bev Knox, titled An Introduction to Theories of Personality. We will review course content and syllabus, as well as expectations throughout the course. To begin, we must understand defining terms of personality. In an article by Gillette, 2022, titled Theories of Personality, the 6 frameworks, personality theories in psychology aim to provide a framework to understand human personality, including the causes and motivation for thoughts, behaviors, and social interactions. Like many concepts in psychology, theories of personality have evolved over time, often building and incorporating pieces of prior work. Please answer the following questions. What makes you who you are? Is it your facial features, your accomplishments, your job position, your ancestors, or is it something less tangible, like how your brain responds to life's everyday situations? Believe it or not, the answer isn't simple. And that is why more than one personality theory exists. So the big question is, what is a personality theory? Personality theories are the result of hypotheses, experiments, case studies, and clinical research led by scientists in the psychology and human behavior field. Personality is your unique set of behaviors, experiences, feelings, and thought patterns that make you you. While it may change subtly over time, your personality remains fairly consistent throughout your life after a certain age. Personality theories look to answer why specific features and traits develop in one person over another, or develop at all. The goal is to identify what makes everyone so similar and so different at the same time. The field of personality theories continues to grow and change as more research opportunities arise and studies are completed. As research has evolved, so have the theories themselves. Certain theories may have lost some validity due to inconclusive research or new findings by experts. As we explore the various theories of personality in this course, I want you to choose the top 3. Which 3 do you think is the best and most accurate according to you?